Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can create a website with a Squarespace on mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click plus here to create a website when you are logged in Squarespace. Now you can browse by templates that we're going to see here. Let's accept the settings, and I'm going to show you the basic one, the bail art. So start with the bail art. This is like one of the basic ones that you can use, and it will automatically connect with the template. Now, what we got here? So we got get started here. You can edit homepage, edit header, and style your site, change the colors. Then you're going to see traffic here. You can add a contact page, you can create a blog here, and you can create support. So what we're going to do, in the bottom corner, you're going to see pages that you can actually add here. Then you're going to see settings. You can change logo and title, and you can change favicon. Then you're going to see site styles here. Here you're going to see fonts, colors, animations, buttons, spacing, and literally all the colors here. Let's go back. And then you can change language, blogging, etc. And the last thing is account. The privacy policy. So let's start. The first thing that we are going to do, we are going to edit homepage. Let's wait until it loads. So okay, we got the text here and everything, and it's going to load. And we see everything here. So you can edit footer when you go to bottom. You can change between styling. And you simply click where you want to click, right? So let's say that we want to add text here, and you can simply add another section. And you can simply, this is same as mobile, right? So you can go to lists. You can go to gallery. And you can simply add messages and everything here. Contact form even. And you can choose which contact form you want. Right, like this one here, right? So I'll choose it. And this is how we do it. It's really simple. And now, okay, we got to see name here. And then we're going to see social links here that you can edit. And then we're going to see the form name here. And you can edit the form fields like name, email, messages, and everything. So when we got it, let's go back. This is how we can simply storage and advanced. So now when we got it, you can go in further and click plus here again. And you can add a section, you can add a form or newsletter or menu, even pricing or even FAQ. So that's like really perfect. And now go to right top corner, you can see it as it's on mobile or phone. I mean mobile or PC. So when we go it and like, okay, we can save the changes. And now we can go back. We can go to pages. We can simply add a new page. We can add blank page or just add a block here. New block, let's go our block. Nice. And we can simply add a new block. enter post title, how to make money, and I would just write here blog, right? Just press OK, save and publish. Nice. When I would go back here, and now I got a published blog here, I can simply click on it again and edit things here. I can add, drag to my page, like image layouts, literally everything here. It's pretty simple. Let's go fine. Let's go back here. We can go to home. We can also edit header. This is what I wanted to show you. Nice. Let's wait it to load. You can simply oh, it's editing now. You can change the header layout, how it looks like. Then you're gonna see site title and logo here that you can like upload. Elements, changing colors the button, like where it's going to give you, where it's going to get you, etc. Colors here again that you can edit, and that's pretty much it. So when you have it, you can play around it as much as you want. And yeah, this is pretty much it how we do it, guys. So if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. Like honestly, everyone can create website here. I'm going to create also a lot of other tutorials that you can like check out about Squarespace. And yeah. Goodbye.